Welcome to IELTS. International English Language Testing System, speaking topic number 6. The Internet. Question: how important is the Internet to you?
Extremely important. I depend on it for work, research, study, and entertainment, so without it I'd be completely lost.
How often do you use the Internet?
I use it constantly throughout the day, every day. I check my emails when I get up in the morning, I use it for work all day, and then I watch videos, read books, or listen to music through it at night.
Do you use it more for work or in your free time?
I'd say both really. About 50% of my job involves researching and writing on the internet, so I would use it for about 4 hours a day. When I get home, I'm normally too tired to go to the gym or play sports, so it is really easy to download a movie or stream some music, and I normally do that until I fall asleep.
What are your favorite websites?
For work, my two favorite sites are WordPress and Google. WordPress is a blogging tool that allows you to publish blogs easily and maintain a professional-looking website. Google, of course, allows me to find the information I need quickly and accurately. In my spare time, I use Facebook like everyone else in the world, but my favorite site is The Guardian because it allows me to keep up to date with everything that's happening.
Do you use apps?
I'm a bit of an app addict. My favorite app at the moment is one called Stitcher. It allows you to listen to podcasts and helps you discover new podcasts. You can download them and then listen to them whenever you have time.
Do you think you use the Internet too much?
I think most people do these days. My problem is that there are so many sites and apps that you end up checking them way too often, which wastes lots of time. It can also be a bit antisocial if you check your phone when you are with other people.
How will the Internet develop in the future?
I think it will be more on mobile phones than computers. Smartphones are becoming more powerful and more affordable all the time, so I think we will see a shift from people using the internet on desktop computers to mobiles and apps rather than traditional websites.
Are there any negative things about the Internet?
Being connected all of the time is not a good thing. Before, you had to sit at your computer and log on, which took time, so you didn't do it so much. Now all people have to do is look at their phones, which is too much for me. I've been trying to leave my phone at home when I socialize with friends and family to stop myself from focusing too much on the phone rather than them.
The next part of this course will be uploaded soon. Till then, please subscribe to this informative channel. Thanks for watching.